Hi, my name is Karel Claesen. I am a Senior Applications Engineer supporting pressure sensors at Melexis. In this movie, I will talk about the SENT implementation of our new MLX90818, a packaged harsh media absolute pressure sensor for 1 to 5.5 bar applications. The SENT output of this product can be configured with a very high flexibility. I will give information on the general configuration options, the fast channel and slow channel configuration, and the error handling. In the general configuration options, the main settings are pause pulse and tick time. The pause pulse allows your SENT frame to always have the same frame length. Enabling the pause pulse results in a frame length of 282 ticks. Disabling it in a variable frame length depending on the data content of the frame. The SENT tick time selection allows 6 different settings. The most common setting for current applications is 3 microseconds. Other options are however also possible. The fast channels can be configured in several ways. Fast channel 1 is always pressure, as this is the main signal of interest. As a first option, the second fast channel can contain the inverted pressure signal. As a second option, it can be the single secure configuration that contains an 8-bit counter and the inverse of the most significant nibble of the pressure signal of fast channel 1. Other options are using this channel 2 as temperature channel, where we can have the calibrated and linearized NTC information available or the internal temperature signal, also calibrated according to the SENT default characteristic function. We also have 2 options available that allow a fast SENT format, where only 12-bit pressure information is available. This can be in a 3x4-bit or 4x3-bit configuration. The last option uses 12-bit pressure data on fast channel 1 and fast channel 2 is fixed to 0. The product's slow channel messages support the enhanced serial message format, using 12-bit data content and an 8-bit message ID. There are a large number of messages available that already have a fixed message ID, as they are clearly defined in the SENT standard and most often used in current applications. These messages contain information like diagnostics, sensor type, product configuration code, manufacturer code, SENT revision, fast channel configuration information, sensor ID, media temperature, and internal temperature. All messages can of course be enabled or disabled, and their data content can be adapted based on the required configuration. On top of all these messages, we still have 16 additional fully configurable messages where the ID and the data content can be freely defined and which can also be enabled and disabled based on the required SENT configuration. Messages which are in general more important to the system, like diagnostics and temperature information, can have a higher repetition rate assigned to them. This allows them to appear more often in the full message sequence, like, for example, every 4 or 7 messages. The last main category in the SENT configuration is the diagnostic error reporting. Here the product offers a number of diagnostic checks which can be selected to ensure a reliable output signal to the system. These diagnostic sources cover internal influences, for example calculation overflows or ADC signals out of range, or damaged connections between the sensing element and the interface IC. They also cover external influences, like temperature or supply voltage. The supply overvoltage and undervoltage threshold levels can also be configured. The MLX90818 allows a detailed configuration of the diagnostic reporting options. When enabling a diagnostic flag, fast channel and slow channel reporting can be configured. Let's take the example of the fast channel reporting on the supply overvoltage detection in a pressure and NTC fast channel configuration. This corresponds to fast channel configuration 2. You can select either not to report it on fast channel, only on the status bits, keeping the pressure and optionally temperature information available, but this information can also be replaced by either 4090 or 4091, depending on the needs of the configuration. On the slow channel, you can also select the reporting code in several cases. Taking again the example of the external supply voltage diagnostic, Either 21 or 901 can be selected for an overvoltage condition. I understand that this table is looking complex, but don't worry, we can help you on getting the right configuration. All configurations of the send output and diagnostics, even a full calibration, can be performed in the final module through the connector pins using our Melexis PTC04 programmer and the available software. More information and details on the send and diagnostic configuration can be found in the datasheet, which is available on our website. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on our new videos.